we have something to talk about today. So this right here, I got a Dozer. It came with this cool little note. It says, Hose Equipment Parts LLC. House. It's from Dave Hose. And it's a Dozer. So let's crack this puppy open. Where's my knife? There she be. Alright, so I got my knife. Guys, don't use knives at home. It's not safe. Promise me. Let's just cut the tape out here. Dang it. Here, can you guys see anything? Here, so. And I've got the tape over here. Never cut towards you guys. Okay. Let's pull the tape out. Let's see if this is actually a Dozer. I didn't actually get scammed. We got it open. There she be, right there. Oh, that thing looks sharp. So it's a Dozer. So this is a John Deere, you can see it there, Deere Dozer. I bought it on eBay, I think. Yeah, it was eBay. And it's got the tracks. It's a track Dozer. See how good it rolls here. And the tracks want to come off. So there you go. They have a little bump in them. Here, I'll turn this out of the way. Let's close my knife up before I cut myself today. I cut myself enough. So it rolls nicely. Here in comparison to my 9240 here that I have. So this thing makes a lot of noise. Listen to this. Can you guys hear that? So that is just a short little video. I hope you guys enjoy and see you all next time. Bye!